lose your plane, you've had it. And that little wing almost in the back. I mean, they don't know when it's going to come up.
No, that's right.
I might go for it.
It's icy,
Oh man, this is the best fireworks ever, isn't it? Planes and fireworks.
They take their chance. They don't know when they're going to let a firework off.
No. Some keep zooming right over the top of where they're...
That's Alistair's, you can hear it.
Yeah, yeah. Alistair's Panda, yeah.
Panda.
That's the slowest one, isn't it, the
Yeah.
Panda?
That's Alistair's Panda over there.
He's not...
He takes more chance, doesn't he?
Yeah, he said he's not expecting to get that back this year.
No, he said it's
The slowest one, it's
one
like
coming now, the little one.
to the
yeah,
right.
Red and green one.
That's
Last
it.
year, he said it's still damaged from last year, but they say if they go, don't they? Alistair said
Well,
it's
they're
only
going-
a plane.
I'm going to go and stand with Jackson to... I'm going to go and stand with my lad, with Jackson.
Yeah,
You come
okay.
Yeah. See you in a minute. Good, isn't it, Jack?
Yeah.
It's the best.
How come the planes aren't getting hit?
Well, they might do. Look at old Alistair's Panda. That looks really...
That caught fire.
Yeah. He's really just flying it all in there all the time.
Whoa.
I'm sure that's not supposed to happen. I think we're going to go over there and find a flying test.
You think that Big Bang weren't supposed to happen?
No, another cartridge thing has got fire.
Person.
And just burst into flames.
And I suppose the fact that the second one on why would they have to reach their own?
I'm waiting to see Alistair's Panda get it. That slow one, that's bound to get it, isn't it? He's flying it right over him. Molly, look at the plane flying through the fireworks. I'll tell you what, they know I've done this well, haven't they? Oh, he's been hit, he's been hit.
Has it?
There's a bit of smoke coming out.
Sure.
There was some smoke coming out, I'm sure.
Ella, you go, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it.
Well done, Ellie, you're using the right word. Oh,
Using the right what?
right word. Oh my gosh. That's better.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Whoa.
Oh, he's crashed. Crashing. The panda crashed. The panda touched the deck. And he managed to take off again. What a flyer. Well done, Alistair. Keep it going.
Oh! Did you see that one? It literally skimmed the wing.
I know. Did you see Alistair? He just
Hit the
hit the floor and carried on going. Yeah. What a demon flyer.
That one.
It's a slow lumbering one, red and green. Thing is, it probably has been getting them. Like when they come off, they're all singed. Little holes and stuff. Oh, wouldn't it be a shame if they don't do this again?
Like the flak coming up in,
This looks
World War II.
yeah, it's so good compared to a normal firework display, isn't it? It's brilliant. Is that a big hole I can see in his plane?
Big hole.
It looks like a big hole. Big burn hole.
Ollie's taking something.
Jack, can I rest my arm on your head?
Not really.
Cheers, mate.
How long can they fly between refuels?
Well, knowing Alistair, he's probably got about a massive fuel tank in that. It's probably go for about 20-30 minutes, that one.
What, the slower one?
Yeah.
Oh, skimmy.
But it all depends on battery size and all that sort of stuff.
Oh yeah, battery would be another thing.
Yeah, there's some that are electric. That little wing, that little like V, that's probably electric. Alistair's one's IC thing. Yeah, that's Alistair's.
So what?
Alistair's one, with the red and green one, that's IC.
Oh, one's landed over there.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it.
Who needs Leeds Castle?
I know. Oh, it is. Yeah.
Daddy, what's the time?
Don't know, babe.
Sure, that shouldn't be out.
Yeah.
Oh, it fell over it, shooting on that one.
Have you ever seen two crash?
On videos, I have never seen it.
I have on. She's aware.
You might do tonight.
I was
I
on
know.
the two that crashed. Oh, when we were on the slope, sorry.
Pull your trousers up.
See, after we went to play jogging.
That V one, Jed, that's electric.
Yeah.
That's like a zaggy wing. That's I've got one of them to build. Not with all the lights. You have to put the lights on separate light.
Would you like to fly in amongst
Yeah, all one's crashed.
Did it?
Yeah, on the floor there.
Oh, you need to knock the bloke over.
Someone going out to get it.
Disabled.
Get him!
Here goes another box.
That's a big one, that.
Oh no, that's the panda. That's Alistair's.
Oh, well, that's his.
Yeah.
Massive, isn't it?
Big, yeah. Great big wing area.
Swooping low.
Lots of it caught on flying when it rattled out of control. I want to sit down.
Ollie ran off trying to look for me, Jane, and then the bang started.
Oh,
Good job I was watching that. I saw her running off in that direction.
Oh, right.